Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and again I'm with the VOGE 525X. I'm doing a what is this? A Saturday ride before Easter, so it's a really beautiful day here in my country, Portugal. I'm just relaxing, chilling, not speeding, just enjoying the routes, the streets, because I've been doing some mountain roads with nice curves and counter curves and all that stuff. At the moment I'm just gonna go to a meeting place here in Portugal, which usually it is packed on Sundays. I don't know how it's gonna be today, but all this route it has been something like this: curve to the left, curve to the right, and just enjoying the balance of the motorcycle and how she behaves. And like I said, I go slow, I do my curves, I do the things I have to do. It's actually good to practice, and the trajectories, how to enter in curve and everything when there is no one here. Again, we go here and we do the curve and enjoy it. And this is gonna be all my day, and I have these beautiful views here. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna stand up in a while, maybe, if I can. Go here, turn. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Look, the mountains over there. We do have the sea over on that side over there. It's the sea, so I have really nice sceneries here in my route. About this motorcycle, I like 99% of the things of it. The only thing that I'm most unhappy with, it's the seat. It should be a little bit more comfortable, but it's the only thing, and it's fixable, so it's not a big thing. Again, it's an A2 license, so it's limited to 35 kilowatts. But basically means if you have an A2 license, you go to the dealership, you buy this motorcycle, and you are ready to go. Look the views. Look, the sea over there. See? I like my life. And I've been riding this motorcycle for the last few days. I've been riding in the city, doing all my tours and everything I have to do, go to work and everything. Also riding here in the middle of these nice roads and everything, and a little bit off-road, okay? Just a little bit, okay? According to my skills, I just have to do a little bit off-road to see how she behaves, since they mark it and it comes with these mixed tires to go off-road. But on the off-road, I didn't like it too much, because I didn't find out how to disconnect the ABS, and doing off-road with ABS, it's not good. But I did it anyway. Carefully and slowly, I did it anyway, just for you to see. More things about you can see. You are watching here. You see here I have two screens. This one is the main one from the motorcycle, and this is the Android Auto for the motorcycles that I've been testing, and I have on my own motorcycle, and I just decided to switch to this one. So I have Google Maps, and Spotify, TuneIn Radio, Waze, and all those stuff here on my motorcycle, and my phone stays in my pocket, and it works really well. Super easy. It's a USB connection there to the socket, and it's plug and play, done. Works like a charm. Yeah, and this is basically just to give you my little ride this Saturday morning. Look, all the bicycles are here. I just overtake them slowly without issues, no problems. Everyone goes to their lives, I go to my life slowly, relaxed, calm. Like I said, I'm enjoying the balance and curving the motorcycle the way I like and the way I want to feel it. It's a very nice motorcycle. Opposite to the AC 350 that I had before, this year, the design of this tank, it's much better for me, my legs. There is now no edges hurting me on my legs, so it makes the ride much more pleasant, and I like this, okay? Besides being a naked, with a little bit windscreen here on the front, which doesn't protect anything, it is a very beautiful naked. It has a nice engine. The gearbox are really smooth, my friends. This gearbox, I do like the gearbox. It's very easy to find gears, very easy to find the neutral. It works like a charm. In my opinion, it's a very interesting motorcycle if you do want to upgrade for the 125 again, or if you do have the A2 license. Having said this, guys, I'm gonna keep enjoying the roads. As you see, no traffic, just one motorcycle once in a while, the way I like it, enjoy turning. And if you also enjoy this little scenery with me, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow me along doing this really nice curve. And I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!